I didn't plan my career. I kind of let my spirit move me in the direction that it's moved me, and it's never failed me. If the spirit moves you. One of the most important things that I did early on as a clinical PA was provide health care for the homeless, soup kitchens and shelters, and we would set up a mini clinic and just take care of the patients. And one of those visits, Ted Kennedy came out. Those stories and those messages that those patients shared with me were crucial in helping me develop, my professional identity.
I met Dr. Morton-Rias 17 years ago when she came in my office to interview for a position. And when she left the room, I knew that we had a leader.
I had just joined the faculty at SUNY Downstate when the Arthur Ashe Institute was opened and dedicated, and he visited the campus. It was lots of people, lots of lights, lots of fanfare, but he moved with a serenity that said he was here to do something that was bigger than the day. And that made such an impression on me. Since becoming the dean, I've really tried to expand our visibility.
She embraces, I would say, not just help, she embraces, and it's not just our program, it's all the programs in the college.
Of all the individuals I've seen here on the campus, she has really facilitated the entry of a diverse student body in the college.
We've graduated over 400 physician assistants. Over 50% of them are individuals of color, and 70% of them select employment opportunities in Brooklyn when they first graduate. I've had many students say to me, I didn't know that I was going to get such a community-based exposure and orientation. And those kinds of sentiments really tell me that we're doing what we came to do. In medicine, there's an expression that says, each one must teach one.
Dawn sees the need to have, future health professionals represent the population that they're serving.
I am not unlike the students that I speak to in terms of the backgrounds that we share.
Well, Dawn comes in and she's real with them and she talks to them like she's known them for ages. It's important for our students to see her in that light.
And I think it's important for them to know that there's a place for them in healthcare, in education, and in community service that they might not have thought about initially. Each one must teach one and teach many.
She believes in tapping people on the shoulder, bringing others along.
It's clear that she is a leader.
She's great, yeah.
These types of awards are supposed to go to really important people. I don't see it as a pat on the back necessarily. I see it as more of a motivator to continue to do more. If the spirit moves you.